Here's my new toy. It's a 1974 Sears Suburban SS 16 twin. It has a 16 horsepower opposed twin cylinder Onan engine. And it's got a 42-inch deck on it, recovered seat with a, if I must say so, very, very nicely duct-taped edge. And so basically the deal with this right now is it runs great, and the only problem is that the existing fuel tank and fuel lines in it are clogged or have dirt in them or something, and those are going to need to get replaced. But for right now, it runs off of this gas tank with clean fuel line in it. And I'll start it up, and I'm going to go put it away in the garage. So we'll start and drive. Let's see. Should start right up. I had it running about an hour ago was the last time. So let me just... Okay. Take it out of gear. Full throttle. So that's that, and so like I said, it runs pretty good. It surges at anything less than about a third of full throttle. But you know, I mean, it's in good mechanical shape. The guy that I got it from bought it new in '74. He worked at Sears, and these notches on the side of the dash, right here, he had the front end loader on it when he first got it, and there's some mount bolts there, and he actually returned the front end loader because he wasn't smart enough to buy the dual wheel kit and load the tires and everything, and he thought it was too tipsy. But you know, it starts up, it drives nice. I need to replace the drive belt on it. It's kind of worn and the wrong size, I think. And over here is the mess of crap that I got with it. There's the hood. I need to the nose cone on it is cracked, so I'm going to fix that. There's an old mower deck from James, 46-inch dozer blade, snowblower, and it has the other mower deck on it. So yeah, it's going to be my puller, and you can expect some more videos of it, hopefully in the near future. So till then.